Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can do lip sync with Heygen. In order to do so, here we are at heygen.com, and let's go ahead and log in. We're going to log in with Google. And with just a couple clicks of the button, here we are. We're going to go ahead and start with the free version. And we're going to go through these options here really quick in order to continue. And once we're all logged in, we'll be brought to a screen like this. And we have a few options here. We can generate an avatar, but what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and click create a video. And then here you can see that we can either type a script or we can upload audio. And then we also have the avatar we can choose from. So we have a variety of different avatars we could choose from, and we have different outfits for them as well. We can click here to replace our avatar. And you can have them in different situations. Then we have our script. We can type our script to see our avatar narrate in the video. Could select your avatar to bring your script to life. Avatars will deliver your script with the voice you can choose. Select the perfect voice. And then we submit the video once we're done. And we also can add multiple scenes to structure your video. We'll go ahead and close out of that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and type in our script here. Okay. And once we have our script selected, then we can hit preview here and we can see what this is going to look like. But bear in mind that it says avatar lip sync will be applied after submission. So we'll go ahead and click on play here.
Welcome to Skillcraft AI.
You can see that
Your
the lips are
preferred
blurred out
location
right
for all
now.
the latest tips and tutorials for the top AI tools available.
So when we're ready to go, we can go ahead and click on generate. We'll just type in a title here. We have a few other options: resolution, FPS, format. I'm just going to go ahead and leave that as is and then click submit. And that's in line for processing. So we could see here what the time is going to be on that. We're at 13%. And this does go pretty quick, but we'll go ahead and let that finish up. And that's all done now. Probably took about a minute or two. Let's go ahead and hit play on that.
Welcome to Skillcraft AI, your preferred location for all the latest tips and tutorials for the top AI tools available.
And there you have it. That's how you do lip sync with Heygen. Quite simple, quite straightforward, and the results are stunning. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.